Friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can check the API call this request and response from the Android Studio. So I have made an app and I am using retrofit to call the API. You can see here my code. So I will show you. I have connected mobile and I will run the app. So you can see here I'm launching the app. So it will show you the app got launched. You can see here there is I will click this click me and here log will come and it will call the API. So when I clicked here, so API got called. You can see here button click and then next process API got called and you can see here the API call request what I used the get API and below is the response. So here I got the log because I have added the logger here. You can see here I have added OkHttp builder client. So this and inside that I have added the log. You can see here logging. So because of that only like this log I am getting. And I will show you one more thing. You go to App Inspector or you here also like it will give you the clean API response. So there is no extra text and here it will help you in debugging and the other things. So you can see here I will click I have opened the mobile screen and I will click me. Yeah, I click me and you can see here this is the API request and response. Here you can see the overview. Here this is the response and below is the request, and here you can view the separate also response. In response, if you will go to this is shows the header and here it will show the body. This is the actual response and here you can see the request. So this is the header and here body. So in post request it will show the full body and but since it is get, so there is no body here. So in overview you will see the response here also. So here also, so this is very easy way to debug the app. And in logger also you can see here you will get the log of the API request response. So here you can see the request response. So if I will click here again, so I clicked here again and we got the more logs. So I will clear this screen. So I will click here, click me. So you can see here this is the request and below is the response. So if I will show you the code, here I have added https logging inspector. So here you have to add http login inspector and http client here and here we have to add. So this is actually it will show the log in the app inspector and http logger will show the log in the logs Logcat. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching.